Hi guys, we're back again with our unlimited food vlogs. And for today's video, we're here at Mani Mogo to try out their unlimited samgyupsal and side dishes. As you can see, sobrang haba ng pila at willing to wait talaga yung mga tao. Kaya napaisip kami at this time, while waiting din, siguro masarap talaga dito. Kaya willing to wait din kami. And while waiting, ito si ma'am, patakbo-takbo lang. And finally, almost 2 hours kaming naghintay para makaupo. Eto, kumakain na kami. Ganito pala yung setup nila dito. Para siyang buffet style. But in reality, it's just self-service. So, ikaw kukuha ng mga side dishes mo. Ikaw din kukuha ng rice mo. But the pork is served by the crews. So, ask ka lang sa kanila kung mag-a-add ka pa o hindi. Pero when it comes to side dishes and rice and drinks, ikaw talaga ang kukuha. So, ganito siya. So, they have 20 side dishes, but hindi ko na binilang kung ilan yung nandito ngayon. And they also have beef. They also serve beef. And then pork nila is unmarinated and marinated. And when it comes to kimchi, masarap daw dito, sabi ni habi ko, kasi approved sa kanya. Habang busy kaming kumakain, yung anak namin is busy din kaka-entertain doon sa mga Koreans. Tignan nyo. Sobrang entertained yung mga Koreans sa kanya. Then, nung umuwi na yung mga Koreans, dito naman siya lumapit sa group of 5 girls. Nakakaupo lang. Ayan, nakikichika, nakikiselfie, nakikikain. Charot, hindi siya kumain dyan. Anyway, so we're done eating na. Ito na lang yung niluluto namin, last strip of the pork. And if you're going to ask me, yung favorites ko dito is yung fish cake kasi hindi balangsa. The sweet potato, the peanut sauce na maanghang at yung di maanghang. And then the pork, of course. Ang sarap din yung bulgogi at yung radish nila dito. And they are located sa Montage Building near the Elizabeth Hotel, which is also a walk away from Ayala.